If you want to connect your iPad to PC, first take your charging cable. If your iPad charging port was Type-C, you need this USB to Type-C charging cable, because on the box you will get this Type-C to Type-C cable only. If your PC supports Type-C cable, you can use this, but my PC doesn't support Type-C cable. There is no socket for Type-C. There is only a USB socket, so I need this USB to Type-C charging cable. Apple doesn't have this type of cable, so you need to use other brands cable like Samsung or any other brand. Just you need a good quality cable. If your iPad charging port was Lightning, you can use this USB to Lightning charging cable. Then connect this USB into your PC USB socket, just like that. Then unlock your iPad. Then connect this small end on your iPad charging port. Connect like this. If it doesn't connect, flip the cable. I hear the sound on PC. Here you can see it's connected. If it shows trust and touch ID, just allow. Then only your iPad and PC will be connected. For me, it doesn't ask because I already connected, so that the pop-up doesn't show for now. Now open File Explorer, this PC. Yeah, here you can see the iPad storage. After this, you can easily transfer files from iPad to PC, PC to iPad. You can also transfer music. If you want to know how to do that, means watch these videos.